Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have with me here very nice 2008 Kia Rio. There isn't really anything wrong with it at all except one thing. I'll show you here. Alright, so the only thing wrong with it, if you look over here, when you pull to open the hood, nothing happened really, as the actual cable, it's actually stretched way past the hood here. This red cable for my wire for the stereo. But yeah, if you pull this here, so the only way now to open the hood is get like a needle nose or something and pull. So today we are going to attempt to fix this. Alright, so basically the hood cable, this is the piece that's it's a dormant, so that's the only one I found that have, it's like two sections cable. That's what you'll be looking for. That's the part number, and basically I'll show you here what exactly we are against. So basically, if you look over here, this one, that's where it's pushed against to basically open the hood, and somewhat it's routed on the inside. So let's take a deeper look in here. If you look on the inside, somewhere in this area, the cables should show up. Basically, that's been routed all the way from here all the way to the back and goes. Here's the other section. Of it, and goes inside the fender all the way to the inside. So what I'm thinking that will happen is that we will need to get the fender liner what I think what we will need is the fender liner to be removed, and then basically after that we'll be able to see where the cable goes, and we'll go from there. During I have to film inside the garage rather than outside. It's too windy outside, and cold also. So sorry about that, but we'll go ahead and start working on it. Alright, so this looks like it's 10 millimeters in here, and you have a bunch of screws like this and plastic ones like this all across the wheel cover in here. So I'll go at it, remove those, and I'll be back. Alright, part of the prize, we got most of that plastic out in here, and my main issue was this bolt. My main issue was this bolt over here, this one. this one here. Rusted in, still stuck. I got all the other ones out with no issues. So, yep, you got, a bunch of 8mm and one 10mm. So this is the only one is 10mm. All the other ones are 8mm, and there's a couple plastic screws. If you look here, all the way at the bottom, you have one here and one here on the edge. See, these two are plastic screws. There's a bunch on the surrounding, but the most important, we revealed the mystery. So basically, you got the cable here. Anyway, then it goes all the way to the back. So that's I'll feed it up from the inside, and we'll see. All right, let's see here. Alright, so first part is out, which is always good, and basically this was on the joint here, over here. So they were like hooked up to each other like that, and this goes all the way inside, as you can see, or as you saw earlier, and the other side on the inside. So this is how it looks like on the inside. I could not pull it to the outside because of this grommet. I'm not sure if the new cable comes with this grommet, so you don't have to do anything with that. So this is half of the work, but I think my issue is with this side of the cable. I'll fix that. I'll try and see if this will fix my issue. If not, I'll keep going to the other side. But basically the best tool you'll need for this kind of job is basically needle nose plier with the bend in it. This is 45. There's like another one. It's like 90. I have been using this 45 angle. So this goes all the way inside to the tiny spots where normal plier doesn't go there. Alright, I'll go ahead and place it back in. We'll see how that will work, and we'll get back. Alright, so basically, if you look over here, there's where the cable goes. So what I'm trying to do is, if you look over here, this is the hole here, whereas the cable should go to. But when I'm trying to push it from the inside, is trying to come in from this area. So, which is wrong. So I have an idea for that. Let's see. So my idea is to push one of those. Just like hose clamp, something like this. I have it's already not working, it's broken. So what I'll do with that, and I just got a split in here, if you see it. So I will slide it through the hole where it should go, and basically hook up the cable to it and pull it up so the cable will come back from the right spot. We got this out, and basically hook this together, and I'll test it out and see if that actually will work. Alright, moment of truth. I pull. Yay! Alright, I'll go ahead and put everything back together. And yeah, pretty much that's it. It's just a little bit too annoying to get the cable, as I showed you earlier here, on that connector. Just try to get like a fishing pole or fishing rope or whatever you want to use, so you can pull it back to the correct location. And yeah, here we go. We'll put back everything together. That's going to be it for today. So hopefully the video will be clear. It was really difficult to film in there. It's just because it's windy outside. I couldn't do it outside for the light. Over here, I got this bolt. I did not want to remove, so I couldn't remove the hole. plastic inside, so you can guys see what's going on. But it's fairly simple. There's only one plastic clip that holds the cable in there. You have to feed the cable from the hood to the inside and out, not the opposite way. The grommet is already included in the cable, so you don't need to deal with that. Now, if you did this and the cable is still loose, you gotta go and get the other parts. For me, I'm satisfied with what I have in here. And yeah, thank you for watching today, and have a great day.